Okay, welcome back, y'all. So today's project, we'll be working in a bathroom, replacing bathroom tiles. Just to give you an idea where we are at, this is the Eastern State Penitentiary. For those of you that don't know, this penitentiary had running water and flushable toilets before the White House. It's also the prison known where the gangster Al Capone was held at. And I'll give you an area view just so you know how massive this structure actually is. This prison here was also known for torturing. I won't get into that too much, but some of the tortures were so bad that they overdid it and the prisoners had to get their hands or feet amputated. But if you want to learn more about that, you look it up. It's pretty gruesome. I'm not going to talk about that too much. Eastern State Penitentiary, and I'm working right across the street. Here's what we're working at. We'll be replacing the bottom 3 tiles. My understanding, the young lady was shaving and her foot went through the tile. We're gonna fix this. Here's how it's looking. Yeah, you can smell the mildew. We'll be using Wonder Blade's diamond grip blade. So we got all the tiles out now. We got our vent line, some cable here. 14-2 wire. We got 1 down, 2 to go. And these are the screws we're using. Rock on. We're using speed set. Okay, all the tiles are in. This took a lot longer than we anticipated, but all the tiles are in. Now it's time to clean up all our miscellaneous tools and start to grout. Well, there you have it. That's my video for today. I know some of my subscribers be asking what other jobs I'd be doing out there. And that was just a little sneak peek of some of the work that me and my brothers be doing. And stay tuned. Right now I'm back at Handyman land. We have a couple videos coming up. We have the We Shed project it's almost done. And we also have a product review video on an electric mouse trap. So you gotta check that one out. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. You have yourself a good one.